In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter music on artlist.io. If you've ever spent too long scrolling through tracks, this quick walkthrough will help you zero in on the perfect song fast without guesswork. First, open the stock catalog. This is where Artlist houses its full music library, organized and ready to search. Once you're in the catalog, think about the mood, pacing, and purpose of your project. Are you looking for something subtle behind dialogue, or a track that pushes the energy forward? Having that intention in mind will make your filtering choices more precise. Next, use the Filters panel. You'll find it right in the catalog view, and it's your control center for narrowing results. When you open the panel, you'll see several options that refine your search in real time. If you ever want to start fresh, look for a clear or reset option so you can try a different direction without leftover settings affecting your results. Now select the filters that matter most to your project. Begin with vocals or instrument. Choose instrumental if your video includes voiceover or dialogue and you want the music to support rather than compete. Go with vocals if you want a lyrical hook or an emotive lead to carry the piece. This single choice can dramatically shift what shows up in your results. Then, set the duration. Match the track length to your edit so you don't have to force a song to fit. If your cut is around a minute, try choosing a slightly longer duration to give yourself room for fades and natural endings. If you're still experimenting with structure, choosing a broader duration range keeps options open while staying practical. Next, turn on stems if you need detailed control in the edit. Tracks with stems let you isolate elements like drums, bass, or melodies, which is perfect for ducking instruments under dialogue, creating custom builds, or rearranging a section without losing quality. If you know you'll be fine with a stereo mix, you can leave stems off to keep the list broader. Finally, set the BPM, or beats per minute. Lower BPMs tend to feel calm and cinematic. Higher BPMs add drive and urgency. If you're cutting action, sports, or quick social content, a faster tempo keeps momentum up. For interviews, storytelling, or scenic visuals, a moderate or slower BPM leaves space for emotion. As you adjust these filters, watch how the results update and preview tracks to confirm the fit. You can tweak any filter at any time, stack them for precision, or loosen them if you're not finding enough options. With these tools, you'll find the right track faster and with more confidence.